Hello, and welcome to the Lowdown While on Lockdown. I'm Patrick Rowe with SeaTac Lighting, and I'm going to talk about the Endeavor by ILP. The Endeavor is an American manufactured high bay with an aluminum body and steel channel for added rigidity. It comes in 9 different lumen packages ranging from 8,000 to 65,000 lumens. It's DLC premium, getting up to 166 lumens per watt, and it also has 4 different CCTs ranging from 3,000 to 5,000 Kelvin. Coming with polycarbonate injected end caps, which provides rigidity and durability. You can also get it in 2 lens options, frosted acrylic and frosted polycarbonate, for the toughest of applications. They also thought of the installation by adding a modular quick disconnect cord and 4 mounting options: cable, hook, pendant, and surface mount, allowing you to mount this for any application. They also provided a toolless driver door, allowing you to perform maintenance from below. Another feature they provided is a uniquely designed uplight option, which provides an additional layer of lighting to optimize full room illumination, really cutting off that cave effect. You can also get all lumen packages in a narrow or wide distribution, allowing you to evenly light any facility. Well, that's the features and benefits of the Endeavor. If you'd like to take this for a test drive, let me know. We also have stock here locally of several different fixtures. If you go to our website, select on Seattle Stock, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for your time today. Looking forward to seeing everyone in person again soon.